welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart, whichever it may be. Today I'm just going to be doing a little experiment. I've been thinking about it in my little pen head for days, so I'm going to give it a shot and see if anything happens. I don't know. We have, let's see here, for colors, we have, golden, Prussian blue, plus a little bit of Blick fluid lamp black 3.0. It's a leftover. They're all leftovers today. This is the, let's see, golden Micaceous iron oxide. Very strange and cool stuff. This is this little piggy in Grenache. And this one is Liquitex Dioxazine purple. And for our lovely pillow today, we have, what is this? I don't know, some Sherwin color goes something or other lilac. It's been sitting here for a long time, so we're going to give it a little shakeroo, which means we're going to have bubbles. I got a bubble picker. I'm good. For our CAs, we have Old Holland bright gold, Old Holland violet, and maybe some Amsterdam turquoise green. We'll see. So let's just get down here and do this. All right. Here's our, this is a 6x6 inch tile. I usually use these for my palette. So this is one that was sitting here and I figured, oh, good enough. Oh God, except now I can't get the lid off it, of course. If you ever cannot get the lid off of your color to goes because they've been sitting so long, just take a screwdriver and like go up under the lid and give it a little twist. It usually works. Sometimes you got to do it a couple of times. There we go. Very good. Put this down, a little pillow. So let's get our colors down. We've got some of this Prussian and black and everything. Here's our, that was our Micaceous iron oxide. This is our Grenache. And our purple. This is where it's going to get a little weird. I have here my Bloom PM. And I'm going to put a layer of plain PM in here. Just because I'm curious. Everybody's working with this translucent stuff. I want to see what it does if you put it in your Bloom. Maybe nothing. Maybe something. But we're going to find out. This is my Bear 8300 and Valspar Ultra Base C. I'm having problems, y'all. Now we're going to go through with one more layer of colors. Gold with the turquoise green, and then the pear. Interesting. Pop a few bubbles. And round my paint up again because it's going everywhere. blow, the blow. Interesting anyway, ain't it? Yes. Okay, well, let's get it off of here and see what happens. I don't think that the clear PM layer has done anything, which is fine. I mean, that's part of experimenting, right? To find out if something does something. It would appear that it did not do anything. So let's just take it over and I will bring you in for a close-up in just a few minutes. Okay, here are the wet results of my experiment with a layer of clear pouring medium in my bloom, and it would appear that it didn't really do anything, which I'm not terribly surprised about, but I just wanted to try it. It looks like our CAs did their job pretty well. These paints were a little thick, probably, but basically okay. Probably could have thinned them down a little bit, but every time I do that, then I get the wonkiest cells in the world. So I do quite like the colors in this one, though. I think they are pretty, and yeah, kind of cool. So there you go. And now for the sparklies. Oh yes, yes. We do have some, it would appear. You know, I just dipped my hand in it right there. Whoopsies, too close. But yeah, we have sparklies, we have cells, we have lacing, we have all of the above. Kind of an interesting little piece. I'm glad that Micaceous iron oxide showed up to play. Looks like they all showed up to play. Not sure about the clear, but you know, it's clear. Who would know? We'll see how it dries. It might do something interesting. I don't think it will, but you know, possibility. Colors do play well together though, don't they? So, yeah, there we go. Now I gotta fix up this place where I dip my dang hand in it. And I will see you when it's dry. Hello. I decided to do it in one video. It was kind of chintzy. I mean, one little 6-inch bloom was kind of chintzy. So I thought, you know, there's something else I've been wondering about. Let's go try that. So here we are with my what used to be clean tile. All right, so I have some of this Sherwin-Williams Adriatic Sea, which is really pretty. We've already discovered that. So what I'm gonna add a little bit of this Rust-Oleum Imagination glitter. Why not? So let's get that done. There's our paint. Here's our glitter. It's pretty thick too, like paint, so I don't think it's gonna hurt anything, but who knows? I've never done this before with glitter and a bloom. I don't even know whether it's possible. I don't know if it'll work. I don't have any idea. I guess you can see the glitter in it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of this Ultra Sparkle glitter in there too, because I can't really see that glitter. And, you know, I'm impatient. I want to see it now. So this is going to be kind of a different kind of thing. So let's get this on here. Now, this would be the time that we'd usually be laying down color, right? But I'm not going to lay down color. I'm just going to lay down some of my PM, because I was curious about what the PM would do in with the paints, and it didn't really seem to do anything. So I'm going to see what happens if we just put PM down on our pillow color and then put CA on. We'll see, won't we? I'm going to put some of this gold. And violet. Now we're going to pop some bubblies. We're going to blow. Hey, I believe we're going to deliver this up off of here. And as soon as I get it moved over and cleaned up, I will bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here are the wet results of my Pillow Plain PM and CA experiment. Yeah, it's interesting looking. Everywhere that looks light blue is probably just gonna be clear because that's just the Bloom PM, which is in my description box. So let's have a little look-see here. That's kind of interesting. I wonder how many of these little spidery lines will actually show up and how many will just kind of go away. Kind of cool looking. These are just, you know, the burning questions that wake me up in the middle of the night. What would happen if I? What would happen if I? What would happen if I? I don't know. So these two questions on these two tiles that I've poured today have been in my brain for a while. So let's see about sparklies. Now we should have sparklies, and we do, but that is the gold and the violet from the CA. I don't know whether our blue sparklies, yeah, it looks like they might show up some. Interesting. You know, just what would happen if I put sparklies in my, yikes, I just dug my hand in it again. I do this. Look at that. Dang it. Yeah, that's okay. I should have enough wet here to. There we go. Yeah, you know. There you go. Keep your hand out of it, Kelly. I get so close because I want to see the sparklies, and then I get too close. So yeah, it looks like some of the sparklies are probably in the blue. That's cool. And then, of course, we have the sparklies from our CA. So, yeah, hey, cool. I will see you when it's dry. Here are the dry results of my experiment using the layer of PM inside my colors. As you can see, it really didn't do anything. That's cool. It's still pretty. Very blingy. Very shiny. Very nice. I like it. It's a fine bloom, it just didn't really do anything. Now, as for the other one, this one did more stuff. As you can see, the glitter made it have sort of a texture. Didn't really show up as glitter so much as it did texture. The clear PM left a clear coat on top of the blue so that both the gold and violet CA showed up really nicely. So I think that's kind of cool. So which one do you like better? Do you like the one that's more traditional or the one with the clear coat? Do you like either one? Let me know. What do you think? I think they're interesting. It's pretty cool. I like doing experiments. It's fun. So, hey, before you go, make sure that subscribe button is pushed. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. I always do. And until next time, have a good one. I'll see ya.